Hello everyone, today we are looking at a big topic, making websites easy for everyone to use. This is about accessibility. The current problem is that accessibility requirements are not specific to technologies, so we have just a list of requirements which we need to follow. We will not repeat all the rules, instead we'll talk about the most important ones in this video. There are three levels for making a site easy to use, AA and AAA. Level A is the start. It's the most basic way to help people use your site. Level AA is the next. It fixes small problems that stop people from using websites. AAA is the top. It does the most to make sites easy to use, but it's also the hardest to do. Most of the time we need to use rules from A and AA. AAA is for special sites. The first thing we need to do is make sure our text stands out against the background. This old contrast. For AA level, that's a really good standard to aim for. Text should be easy to read with enough contrast. We use a contrast radio to measure this. Normal text should have a contrast radio of 4.5 to 1. Bigger text can have a radio of 3 to 1. And the same contrast radio for our bold text. For the highest standard AAA we need a contrast radio of 7 to 1 for normal text. But for the big text, a radio of 4.5 to 1 is still okay, just like in AA level. Sometimes people need to make text larger to read it better. This is called resizing text. At AA level, we make sure you can make text bigger up to 200% bigger. This helps lots of people read without special tools. You can see when I change settings, pixels don't grow, but RAM does. So you use RAM to help everyone. In your case, you can use RAM, EM, percentage, or other relative units. The next one is keyboard navigation. It's when people can't use a mouse. For level A, almost everything on a website should work with just a keyboard. But there are some exceptions. Games or activities like a pilot simulation might need a mouse. This is okay, the same as painting program. With AAA level we don't have any exceptions. Everything can be done with a keyboard. When using a keyboard, it's important that website moves in a way that makes sense. We call this the focus order. For level A we make sure that when you press the tab, the website goes in the right order, like from tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, but not like tab 1, tab 3, tab 2. But having a red focus order is not enough. We need to be sure that focus is visible. Please don't delete focus styles from your website. So let's move forward. Every web page should have a good name. This name tells you what the page is about. For level A, we make sure that the name on the top of the web page is helpful. It should help you know what you will find on the page. The name of the page goes in a special place in the code. Call it the title element. This makes sure it shows up on the tab in your browser. Good page names help everyone, especially people who use screen readers to listen to the page instead of reading. Every part of a website should have a good heading or label. This is like a title for a section or a part of the page. For AA level, these titles are very important. They tell us what each part of the page is about. For those who use screen readers, headings are even more helpful. When you press H, the screen reader will list all the titles. It will say header level 1 NBA teams, Lakers, Bulls, and so on. Also, it's important for websites to say what language they are written in. For level A, this helps assistive technologies like screen readers to work properly. We do this by adding a small note on the website that says what language it is, like N for English. Sometimes a website has different sections in different languages. For AA level, we use len attribute to tell technology what language each section is it. It helps tools like screen readers to say the words in the right way. If part of a page is in Spanish, the screen reader will read it in Spanish. When we make a mistake on a website, for example during login or sign in, the website should tell us what we did wrong. For level A, it's important that errors are easy to see and understand. If there are any errors like wrong password or login is already used, the website should point it out clearly with a message. When we fill out information on a website like our email, there should be clear instructions. For level A, these instructions are very important. The website should use labels and examples to guide us. This helps everyone, but it's especially important for people who find it hard to understand complicated instructions. Our devices like phones and tablets can be turned around and used in any direction. For AA level, we should be able to use our devices any way we like, upright or sideways, or portrait and landscape. This is really important for people who can't move their devices around easily. So some people have their devices fixed in one position. We want to make sure they can still use everything on the website. The next requirement is Captions. Did you know videos can have words at the bottom of the screen? For level A, it's important that videos have captions. It helps people who can't hear the sound. They can read what is being said in the video. When videos are recorded ahead of time, we add captions. This lets everyone follow along with what's happening. For AA level, live videos should have captions too. Having captions on live videos means everyone can join in the moment. The next one is non-text content. It means pictures, icons, and other visuals. For level A, it's important that everyone can understand what these visuals are about. We use something called alternative text to describe these images. This way, if someone can't see the picture, they can still know what it shows. It helps people using screen readers because they hear the description instead of seeing the picture. I really appreciate you taking the time to learn about web accessibility with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.